Yo, you know those nights when you're so fucked up, you don't want nothing to happen, and you're so lashed, you fucking took everything and anything that was around, and yeah, it's good times and bad times. Well, I'ma tell y'all about one time and let you make your choice.
I picked up the homie Reggie at about 10 o'clock, hopped into the whip, smoked a split thing down 3 shots. Now we buzz, feeling tips, walking up to Earl's front door, walking up the party, grabbed some weed, ready to burn some more. Met this chick named Lacey, said she wasted, ain't she high as fuck? Said she had some pills that made you ill, and asked if I wanted some. I asked her what the fuck she took, she handed me some Percocets, told her I done tried some shit, but I never heard of it. In a minute things start spinning, and I tell her I want some more.
It's okay, buddy, if you got money, I know some chick that's got some blow.
I head towards the couch while I trip out and meet a chick named Pam, talking loudly out my cotton mouth, cause I don't give a damn. I told her then I'm coming down, and I just need to get back up.
You look pretty wasted already, are you sure you haven't already had enough?
Trust me, I'm fucking good, just break out the lines and shut the fuck up. And bitch, if you try to change my shit, you better believe I'm fucking you up.
This here is a song about drugs, popping pills and smoking blunts, angel dust and crack cocaine, stick a needle in my veins, having sex on ecstasy, magic mushrooms, LSD, sniffing meth and amphetamines, drugs for you and drugs for me.
So I'm high on coke, talking shit, trying not to grind my teeth, try to get some pretty girls that I just met to buy my CD. Spit a couple verses but sound awful cause my mouth is dry, start to sketch and end a debate on what I should do about this high. Figure I'd take Lacey home with me if I could find my keys. Dude, I think I saw them 2 minutes ago behind the TV. Thank the homie James and grab Lacey's arm to go.
I'm not leaving this party with some guy I hardly know.
I guess I gotta wait till she's more fucked up before I hit it. Try to hold my anger back and figure I'll just grab a digit.
Calm down, baby, don't get crazy. Linda's got some acid tabs.
Damn it, Lacey, I don't want drugs, I just wanna have a nap. Linda's in the garage, tripping balls, seeing purple shit. Lights go on and off like a mirage, or when a person's sick, she stick 6 bits of sit through my lips and on my tongue. So I feel it peeking in me, and I figure I done something wrong.
This here is a song about drugs, popping pills and smoking blunts, angel dust and crack cocaine, stick a needle in my veins, having sex on ecstasy, magic mushrooms, LSD, sniffing meth and amphetamines, drugs for you and drugs for me.
Now I'm fucked up, locked in the garage with a couple of these drunk ass chicks making funny faces at each other like a bunch of kids. I hallucinate, the room presumes to shake from all the shrooms I ate, shifting in positions after every fucking move I make. Now I'm seeing monkeys and they point and they laughing at me before I have a chance to react to that. A purple rat attacked me now. Lacey's mad cause I'm blown and doesn't feel attractive, makes me take some extra, have some sex and to keep me active. Yes, Lacey, you look real fine in your Sunday dress, but soon enough your face will twist reverse and then become your chest. Your arms gon' swell up from blood and run to your legs like something wet. You're still looking pretty damn good, but this gon' be some fucked up sex. I can't find my penis or her pussy, now this bitch is mad.
How many of those little purple pills I gave you did you have?
You're the one who gave them to me, you're the only one who would know. Guess it doesn't matter now as you're thrown up all over the floor. So one chick vomits and one chick's gone, but I can't feel my face or my legs because the drugs I'm on. I wait for Reggie before I leave the house, and plus I'm bugging out. My eyes are squinting red and pink, and my face is looking funny now. Sitting still, tripping ill on the couch, I'm cotton mouth, talking about stupid shit to Tim like purple cows and frogs. Reggie shows in his hand, he's got a blunt and a can of beer.
Come on, fool, smoke this quick so we can dip up out of here.
I wake up on some cold tiles in a pool of my own puke, wonder where the fuck I've been and who's this dude beside me too.
Hey man, we're in jail. You weren't conscious when they brought you in. Also, I think they had to chase you both, but I think they lost your friend.
That's alright, Reggie fed, we both don't need to do this bit, but I'm pretty sure whatever happened, he ain't shit to do with it. I guess I learned my lesson, or at least I will in 2 to 3. I like doing drugs, but it ain't what it used to be.
This here is a song about drugs,